So I'm going to dump in a generous portion of this dish soap, and especially this Clorox, which I don't think is nearly as good as like a concentrated Dawn dish soap. And then over time, it will settle as the water slowly drains out of the bowl, even with the clog in there. It usually takes about an hour or so, just depending on the clog, to drain the rest of that water through the bowl. Most clogs will let some water slowly drain through. And the nice thing is that soap's going to settle in and it will slowly also drain in and around that clog, hopefully helping to loosen things up or at least increase the likelihood of that clog slipping through the trap in the toilet. So next up, once that water level has lowered, so we only have a little bit of cold water in there, I am going to pour in that 1.5 gallons or even 2 gallons of hot water to help loosen things up, and hopefully that will flush the clog through. Now you can just use hot tap water, which would be around 120 or 125 degrees Fahrenheit, or you can heat up a pot like I did up to about 145 degrees Fahrenheit just to give you a little bit more of a chance of that clog loosening up and going through. So let's try it out. I do try to dump it in fairly quickly to move around that cold water at the bottom, hopefully getting the hot water to go right on that clog. Sometimes this works on the first try, or you might have to do multiple tries, but this time it actually worked and our clog did work its way out.
Now, hopefully that helped you out, and let me know down in the comments if that worked for you. Another issue of not getting a good flush might be a low water level in your toilet, and that is an easy fix. Check out this video right here. I'll walk you through the complete process, and you might not even need a tool to get this corrected at your own home. So thanks for joining me on this video, and we'll catch you on that next one. Take care.